This video how to assemble automatic windows openers. So make sure it's cold. We put them in the ice with the ice water. We take the springs out. That's kind of easy way to do it. Next thing, you just get the thing in, screw up here, then open this, slide this pin in one of the grooves, push them all the way through, get your screwdriver, you can either use a little hammer to hammer them down, or you can use the pliers to pinch them back in, and you can use the screw driver just to go like this. So they're all aside, just like that. Okay, it's all installed. Now you can install this into our, this one is a cold. Don't forget your springs on. That's it. It's like so. There you go. And there's my using my pre-drilled holes. I like them to the very bottom, and make sure to tight everything here. This is called you can see them on instruction on figures 7, on figures 3 and 2. Those are hooked up at the bottom. And we got 4 more windows to go. And where do you put brackets? With these 2 holes, you directly screw it to the windows, and with this you find 2 large holes. You apply a bracket on the back side, and you put those screws from the back through the large holes, and you screw this thing on it. This is a clamp. We screw one clamp, and we screw another clamp on the other side. And this go on the window right there, and this go underneath the clamp, underneath the bracket. Make sure you have a bracket from manual windows openers. Let's say, pretend this is a bracket from the manual windows opener, right, just like that, and you hook it up this on the back right here and tied it from this side. So there you go. And there's my using my pre-drilled holes. collect them to the bottom and make sure to tighten everything here. This is called you can see them on instruction on figures 7, on figures 3 and 2. Those are hooked up at the bottom. And we got 4 more windows to go.